This next story is of a company that owns some of India's most iconic brands, offering affordable casual wear to India's young adults. Take a look. Trends change every season, and one company that has been keeping pace with altering tastes is Keval Kiran Clothing. Since 1980, it has brought everything from stylish jeans and trousers to chic shirts and jackets to wardrobes across the country. Through its 4 key brands, Killer, Integrity, Lomin Page 3 and Eazies, and its 2 fashion retail destinations, K-Lounge and Addictions, the company has achieved a turnover of 303 crore rupees with an average annual growth rate of about 20%.
We are a bottom heavy and bottom line driven company. We sell more of trousers and denim where value addition is more and realization per garment is more. Besides that, you see, say we work with the zero debt concept, say financial hygiene. So that's a big strength for us.
Keval Chand Jain ensures that the company's vision is reflected in all its business decisions. With an aim to compete with international apparel brands present in India, he believes that the customer truly is king. It's no surprise then that Keval Kiran Clothing is focused on meeting consumers' needs by offering various options for affordable fashion.
Today we are a domestic player. 94-95% turnover is coming from our homegrown business. Only 5 or 6% may be export. Our strategy is that we are developing a fashion now. With that passionate, yes, my consumer should afford to buy my product, and we have to create a brand.
What was the idea behind Keval Kiran Clothing? How did the journey begin?
First, we launched our brand Killer. So from that journey till now, we completed more than 2 decades now. And today, where we are now, so everybody has seen the product, everybody has visualized our company's performance. We list our company in the year of 2006 now.
So today, what is your distribution strategy like?
Our sales partner is, we are selling through distribution network and they deliver to the MBOs. Then we work directly with the chain stores like Superstop, Lifestyles, Pantaloons. We directly deal with them. Our third concept is a retail K-Lounge. We work with the franchisee concept now. They are our super stockists. We sell our product through them. Today we have more than 270 stores now.
Through its manufacturing facility based in the industrial hub of Vapi in Gujarat, Keval Kiran Clothing ships more than 15,000 pairs of jeans every day. With a specialized area of the factory dedicated to dry processes like whiskering, hand sand and spraying, the company ensures that it meets its production targets. Innovation is the secret to the company's success. One of the first Indian companies to adopt laser technology for denim production, the company now owns 4 state-of-the-art laser machines that conserve water, use fewer chemicals, and save resources like time and energy.
They were the first ones to invest this in 2004. In this technology, from 2004, I have seen thousands of garments being done, repeat orders coming, repeat business coming, end consumer asking them, please give me this order, this style.
The company's second plant, located in Daman, is dedicated to the finishing of garments. With advanced technologies like the self-attaching label machine and the topper machine that steam irons every garment before it is shipped, the company ensures timely delivery of all its products. And quality control measures are central to every step of production.
There are some state-of-art machines like if you had seen the label machine, which is self-attaching. You had seen the riveting, which we are doing in a rivet machine. You are seeing that normal people are using hand iron. We are doing the same thing on topper because topper has that capacity to give that look, that feel of the garment because it contains steam.
Keval Chand Jain's biggest goal is for his company to achieve an annual turnover of 1,000 crore rupees. And with strengths such as the company's dedicated staff, sound financial records, and investment in technology, this target is a highly achievable one.
Thanks, baby.
That's a familiar number.
Yeah, it's your sister.
Say hi to her.
Who's the man? Don't bother washing those sheets, baby. I like them dirty.
How about I wash these for you instead? Who's the man?
My place. 10 minutes. And you two. Who's the man?